Hello, everyone. We are back again. This is yet another fun Ashanti Twi lesson. Today, we have a special guest here, an American. I'm teaching you how to pronounce words in Twi to sound like an Ashanti person versus you living in the diaspora that you sound Americanized, that you Americanize the Twi. We don't want to Americanize our Twi. We want to say it in Twi. All right? So today's sentence is Sua Twi. I'm learning Twi. Okay? I'm learning Twi. So now repeat after me. The American is about to pronounce it. Sua Twi. Say it.
Sua Twi.
You see how she said Sua Twi? All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again. Sua Twi.
Sua Twi.
All right, that sounds better. Try one more time. Sua Twi.
Sua Twi.
All right, you see that she's struggling with the word Sua because we don't have it the way the syllables and the vowels work, the consonants. We don't have that in English. So her tongue doesn't roll that way. So the way the alphabet in your language makes it easier for you to pronounce certain words. So you Americans, don't laugh at a Ghanaian speaking American language because the words are different. Our tongues roll differently. So let's say it again. Sua Twi. Sua Twi. Sua Twi. All right? Repeat it one more time. Sua Twi. Do you want to try again? Sua Twi.
Sua Twi.
All right. She was a little bit better here, but still struggling with the word. So, Sua Twi. All right. Thanks, everyone, for listening today. You have to keep practicing, and practicing makes you perfect. So, play it over and over until you're able to pronounce it well with the Ghanaian tone. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.